Let's do some calls of the day now. And Steph, Goldman Sachs has named McDonald's among the restaurant stocks that it puts at its top 22 ideas. Everything's reiterated a buy. McDonald's, Starbucks, Shake Shack, Chipotle. McDonald's, though, to you first. There it is.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a good stock, up 22% till you get a 2% yield. It's not cheap, Scott. It's at 27 times forward, but it's steady. It's stable. It acts like a staple. So for me, you know, I have a lot of juice in my portfolio. I've got a lot of cyclicals. This kind of offsets it, but they've done a great job in terms of menu simplification, drive-through momentum, digital investing, and delivery options. And so they have $4.3 billion in cash. They actually reinstituted their buyback. They increased their dividend 4%. Exactly what you want this stock to do and this company to do. So I'm going to continue to hold it for 2022.
Okay. Starbucks. Jim Lebenthal, you're up with that one.
Yeah. You know, I think I've said this before, as an equity portfolio manager holding about 25 stocks, there are 5 that are in the bottom quintile in terms of being my favorites. I don't love all my children equally, at least not in my business. They had a very bad quarter with bad guidance going forward. I need to see guidance, particularly in China, improve on the next quarterly report, or I will be gone from the stock. Now, what I'm looking for from the stock is some good guidance, and that in the next year, it basically does just a little bit better than the S&P 500. I'm not looking for shoot the lights out here. They need to get their China operations on track.
Josh, give me a comment on this. This is Jim Lebenthal. This is the farmer getting mad. This is him mad, right there. He's like, it is, Starbucks is on thin ice, folks. And if it doesn't come through with better guides, I'm out.
I don't have that concentrated of a portfolio, so I don't need performance from every one of my names. I don't have to backhand slap the holdings when they don't cooperate with me over short periods of time.
Let me put it this way. Do you agree with Goldman?
I own Starbucks.
Do you agree with? I know you do. Do you agree with the Goldman side saying, hey, this is one of our top picks? Or are you leaning more towards Jim, who says, well, I don't think it should be a top pick, and it's kind of on thin ice?
I don't know if it's, I agree with Jim. I don't know that it should be a top pick, but like, let me holler at you, because this stock's up 83% in the last 3 years, and that includes the worst pandemic in a century. So, like, I feel like they're doing okay. Shake Shack's up 55% in the last 3 years. They sell burgers. They don't sell the cure for COVID. That stock's hung in there through probably the toughest environment it will ever have seen. Was 2021 a great year for these stocks? No, but that's okay. If you're an investor, like if you own any business, every year can't be the best year. So I'm in Starbucks, no plans to do anything. I accept that there'll be a quarter or two each year that disappoints. If it gets out of hand and there's a real problem with the business, I'll change my mind. That hasn't happened with this name in 25 years.
The only business that I know of that can be the best year every year is the New England Patriots. Oh, but